In Italy, we currently have 11,000 businesses, of which 8,000 are professional ones. And what they do is work on an overall area of 7 million hectares. And according to the CREA statistical data, the turnover is approximately 4 billion euros. Therefore, this accounts for quite a large number in Italian agricultural farming, and also 7 million hectares out of overall 12.5 million hectares agricultural land account for quite a large number and quite a large share. From the operational point of view and the labor market standpoint, in the last 2-3 years, we've found that there have been 1,500, 1,600 new hirings by agricultural and mechanical businesses. Young people were hired and they can use the new technologies in a much better way. For example, also with reference to satellite georeferencing, which is most important. It's regarded as a key to improve the productivity of the soil, of the agricultural land in Italy. The new frontiers have to be considered in synergy with the associations of farmers, because we would like to bring the new management systems and, for example, the systems for fertilization management into the farming industry in a much better way. And farmers have to realize the benefits of certain new techniques, and to do so we need technicians. They have to be aware and make people aware of the possibilities offered by these new techniques. We need increasing training, and this is a program, McAgri Jobs, which is promoted together with the manufacturers, Federonacoma, and the dealers of agricultural machinery, UNACMA, so that a large proportion of young people can use the 400 hours made available by the schooling system for specific training in the sector of agricultural machinery, especially high technology ones. Machines that are increasingly performing more powerful, but they are increasingly performing only if the operators can operate them properly, so that we can close the circle and be more competitive in our industry. Unfortunately, at the present time, the overall sustainability of the Italian farming produce is not well recognized. Consumers buy products, but their sustainability is not so sure. So when sustainability is not that sure, they buy the cheapest produce. In Europe, we will produce less and less, and we will be increasingly dependent on non-European countries where the rules are not so important as in the European Union or in Italy. We do hope that our political institutions in Italy and also at supranational level will make a tool available so as to disseminate what is the quality of certain produce. They have to be high quality products and also sustainable from the environmental and economic standpoints. Only those products that are made according to the same standards can compete on the market. This is the end goal. Otherwise, it will be a competition on an equal footing. People producing with slave or forced labor, with environmental infringements, will compete with us only on the basis of the price. Products that were made with no consideration for sustainability, but only in view of pure economic competitiveness in an exploitation setting, will certainly be less expensive than those produced according to a virtuous cycle. If Europe and Italy want to continue doing farming, they have to work along these lines. They shouldn't build walls or barriers, but the incoming produce must be compliant with the same standards. Thank you.